I felt that I wasn't able to concentrate properly during the test, and this led to me making certain silly mistakes and Hi, my name is Rohan Ishwar. I am a student of the 4-year classroom program upgraded to 2-year Pinnacle integrated program at FIITJEE Mumbai. I have secured the rank of 321 in JEE Advanced 2021. I have also secured a rank of 1006 in JEE Mains 2021. I am also an NTSC scholar and a KVPY SA and SX scholar. The challenges that I faced during JEE preparation were chemistry, lack of motivation, and examination temperament. Of the 3 subjects tested in JEE Advanced, I always found chemistry to be the most difficult because it involves a lot of memorization. Due to this, I neglected chemistry in the initial stages of my JEE preparation, and I failed to cover many parts of inorganic and organic chemistry. I fell behind in the portion, and this became a problem for me as it reflected in my test scores. I overcame my problems with chemistry by interacting with my teacher, who guided me on how to study the various parts of the subject and ensured that my doubts were cleared at regular intervals. I also realized that chemistry is 1/3 of the paper, so it is an essential part of JEE and there was no escaping it. So I just revised each part of it rigorously and managed to improve my score in the end. The second challenge I faced was lack of motivation. In order to overcome this, I ensured that I interacted regularly with my parents, teachers, and friends so as to not feel disconnected. I tried my best to maintain discipline and follow my routine and made sure that no unnecessary thoughts entered my mind. The third challenge I faced was developing examination temperament. During the initial stages of my preparation, I always used to feel that I wasn't giving my best during the paper. Despite studying things properly, I always found that there were questions that I could have done but wasn't able to do for various reasons. I felt that I wasn't able to concentrate properly during the test, and this led to me making certain silly mistakes and poor decisions about which section to attempt first and similar things. To fix this issue, I took a lot of practice tests which helped me learn the art of taking an examination and build examination temperament. According to me, the most important element to crack JEE is planning and understanding what works for you. Planning is important because we are all different. Each person has a different style of learning and different things are convenient for them. Different times to study, different schedules, different methods of relaxation. So unless you know what is going to work for you, you will lose out and you won't be able to achieve your potential. My 5-year journey of JEE preparation with FIITJEE has been a very satisfying experience overall. Processes at FIITJEE are all designed and conducted smoothly and efficiently. FIITJEE conducts all sorts of tests at regular intervals. There are classroom quizzes, then FCATs which are conducted fortnightly, phase tests, and then AITS and AI2TS at the national level so that we can compare our performance with students all over the country. These features of the FIITJEE program have greatly contributed to my success in JEE. My message to future JEE aspirants would be to never give up hope and to have faith in your capabilities. Without belief, you aren't going to go very far. Belief is essential because this journey is going to be really difficult and it will really test your mental strength at times. I'm grateful to my parents for supporting me at every step of the way and to my teachers, friends, and the systems at FIITJEE.